We're staying on top of this clothing store here. Let me take you guys through it because it's actually pretty cool the way you get through it. Or sketchy. So you come through here, like a little alleyway. Oh, well. So this is the interesting part. The alleyway is so narrow that when somebody is pulling out, there's enough room for one person. All right, let's try it again. All right, so we go through this little alleyway here. And this is a residential, a residential like apartment building. So there's multiple like families living here. I found this on booking.com. Had some pretty decent reviews. Check this out. Unreal, right? It's like straight out of like a 1990s Jean-Claude Van Damme movie. Look at that. So you have people living right here. We go up these stairs here. It's a little spooky when you come here at night. But again, there's this is a residential building. I think we might be the only like rental spot here that tourists are booking. Everybody else is residential. But once you get through, it's a decent spot. Not the best. So this spot cost us $40 a night. Sleeps 5 of us. So that's a good deal in my book. Yeah, let me show you guys around. All right. Let's turn on some lights. Some AC. All right, yeah, let me show you guys around. So, pretty spacious. So we have a, I don't know, king or queen size bed here. Not the most comfortable bed, but it does the job. A super uncomfortable couch right here. This thing is like dead. And then we have some stairs. They're actually not stairs. This is like the most sketchy stairway you'll see. Cassius, you want to demonstrate? There's like, this thing is not stable. There's no rails, and it's actually like drawers and like a little closet. Oh, check this out.
You know, an ironing board.
Iron. Ooh! Look at that. You can wear those around. Pretty dope, huh? They got one for everyone. All right, so while Cassius is doing that, let me show you guys this spot. This was the selling point for me. So you got a balcony here, and we are right in the old quarter, the French Quarter out here in Hanoi. So we're in the middle of it all, and this is what I love about it, because you can sit out here, have a coffee, have a beer, and just people watch. You're right in the middle of the action. You sleep inside, but outside is the kitchen and the bathroom. So this is the kitchen here. We have a little fridge, urn, little toaster oven, little stove, condiments. Right, you got your dishes here, your sink. And on the other side, let me show you that part, is the bathroom slash shower. So this is the little sink, little toilet. And if you're wondering where the shower is, well, this is it. You shower right here. This is your shower head. And yeah, you pretty much get the whole entire place wet. And this is the cool part. In order to get hot water, when I say cool, it's just because it reminds me of Karate Kid with Jackie Chan. You turn on the little heater 15 minutes before you shower, and then you'll get hot water. If not, you get cold water, but it's so hot and muggy outside that cold water is completely fine. All right, Cassius, show me the stairs.
Okay, so.
All right, sketchiest stairs ever.
So, let me close these first. Stairs here. It's really shaky and creaky and freaky.
So up here, you have 2 like mattresses here. So yeah, there's plenty of room up here. It works. It's just a little, it's a little like sketchy coming to, especially like I said at night. The stairs are a little sketchy. Check it out. Look at that. Look at that. Wild. Anyways, it was interesting, so thought you guys I'd show you our stay for the next couple of days. We got 2 nights here, and then we are off to Sapa for our next stay, so stay tuned.